Hey buddies, I come back. Enjoy. Hey guys, I hope you're good. Welcome back to another episode of Vlogmas. So I choose it's an update. So I'm taking a weave, guys. So let's go get a new weave. It's small, really. China Mall.
Yeah.
A China Mall. I'm taking a fish and egg. Kel Street, Fringe side. Which one? So one of them.
So one of what suits you?
Perfect. Good morning. Hope everybody is good. What day is it today? Oh, it's a Friday. It's a Friday, and I am at McDonald's. I'm getting rooibos tea. I got myself rooibos tea. That's it. I don't know. I'm just getting rooibos tea with hot milk. Then I'm gonna catch a hot train straight to Liquid Reservoir FM because I've got an interview there. Yeah. What time is it? I'm not sure. I'm not sure what time is it. But I'm still early. Hence I'm getting a rooibos tea. Because I didn't get a chance to check if it wasn't home. So that's what's happening. Thank you. Yapıncan. So this is what's happening. Drink sugar on my rooibos, so I'm not gonna have that. Also, I drink this every morning. Apparently it's good for my eyes because if I'm specs. So yeah, let's see if it'll really like help me with my eyesight or not. I'll come back and review, guys, after 6 months. It's good.
Dear passengers, for everyone's comfort, please place your bags on the floor and keep seats free for further travel. Thank you for
Wow. Thank you so much.
Pleasure hosting you.
Thank you very much. Where can I sit here?
Yeah, you can sit there.
Okay.
Is that sit comfortable?
Yeah, it is comfortable. Thank you.
Namhlanje sisithi khuphuka Steve Chwete ngombana vele ujamele nina unonkolo wakwamimoka. Yazi nonkolo ngalesi sikhathi somnyaka imbongo zenu ngathi sithi mimosa.
I get it.
Nonkolo mimosa. Ngoba vele zinkathi mimosa manje.
Kazakhona. I mean.
December.
I don't blame you.
Nonkolo locha.
Locha, how are you?
Ngivukile dadewethu wena kunjani?
I'm great.
Siyathokoza happy Friday. Siyathokoza
Happy Friday to you too.
Ukuthi usiboleke isikhathi sakho uze godu lapha emhathweni kwekwezi FM uzokuxoxa nathi sikwazi ingcono esidume ngazo siyathokoza.
Thank you so much. Kubonga mina ukungimema Nkosi yami. I'm so honored to be here. I'm also excited.
Yeah, ukhuluma ngaphakathi kwe-PBS Station of the Year 2025.
Imagine.
Kamanga umhathi omkhulu kangaka. In the whole of South.
Lalela ngimkhulu namhlanje.
umntwana okhulele esondweni umntwana okhuliswe lisondo
Definitely.
kuyibumbe kangangani impilweni yakho lokho ukukhulela esondweni uba umntwana esondo hey umntwana kaBishop nomntwana kaMamBishop uhlelo lakamabonakude bese kuthathaphi imedia ngemva kwalokho ikusaphi ke imedia ngemva kwalokho
Emva kokuthi ngitrain with Impumalanga, I think also bekunzimanyana because bengisesikoleni and also ngizama just nje ukungena ku media.
Nosisikolo sisi-TUT
Yes.
Musinto le isempumalanga i-TUT bose campusini le Malahleni namkha
Bengu main campus.
bowula ePitori
Ehe.
manje wenza njani ke indwembi
Bengise main campus.
Iye.
So into benginokuyenza bengiye ekhaya every weekend.
Yo.
Yeah, mina bengiye ekhaya every weekend ngisase City.
Yeah.
Every weekend bengizithola ngisekhaya. Every Friday Middleburg.
bayathi nonkolo uyenza
Yebo, ma Sunday later ngiyabuya Monday
Ekuseni,
ekseni.
yeah.
Yes. So nje bekuyimpilo yami leyo. Ngaqala ke ngasebenza eHope FM.
okay
Ngasebenza eHope FM. eHope FM yiyo ke
Umrhatjho
yanginika
womphakathi
yes.
wena, yes.
iHope FM yiyo ke yanginika foundation enkulu kakhulu maziza ku radio.
okay
Yangisiza kakhulu. I was actually being hosta ishow yama pastors kids. Which is a very interesting one. Yes. It was nice. I loved it so much.
Yeah.
Kakhulu. Ngayeka and then mangiyeka ngajoina iGospel News SA.
okay
Gospel News SA nga-auditiona bangithatha and then I became their TV presenter there.
okay
Ngabe TV presenter Gospel News SA, which I'm still doing namhlanje. I'm still TV presenter yabo.
so lapho kubuka ngendaba zegospel
Yes.
nangozimu kuphela
Yeah.
nekolo msi
Yebo.
okay
Hello, welcome to another vlog. Woo, welcome to another vlog. Vlogmas. I'm home. It's a Monday. I've been home the whole day. I've been cleaning the house. We're doing spring cleaning. I didn't vlog that because, yeah. Anyway. We're not done, but we're like 60% done, I could say. So yeah, now cooking. I am gonna cook lasagna. So cook with me, I guess, okay? I guess you'll be cooking with me. I don't think this is enough. While you cook with me, please do subscribe, click on the notification bell, comment down below and give this video a thumbs up. Let's do lasagna with me. Chef Ngola for the day, okay? I mean, why not? So, yeah. So, I am gonna do cheese sauce. So, for cheese sauce, I'm gonna need butter. I'm gonna need cheese. So, it's 3 slices of cheese. I'm gonna need flour, just a little bit. And then I'm gonna need aromats, and then I'm gonna need milk. So I'm gonna use the fat-free milk because this is the milk that we drink in this house. Well, my mom drinks. So we're gonna start with my butter.
You know that's my favorite soap.
That's all we know. You want to eat the cheese sauce?
You know it's my
Scratch
favorite.
the pots. You will scratch the pots with a spoon.
And this time, please don't throw it.
enkingeni.
Problem.
Uzoba enkingeni serious. Athi cha kodwa mfuzela.